Hello guys, welcome to another video, and got another package here for you guys. This is actually going to be a continuation from my mechanical pencil series. So I actually don't remember which package this is. Of course, by watching the title you guys are going to know what it is. So let's go ahead and get into here and see what we have here. Now these mechanical pencils were suggested to me by actually one of my subscribers, and I went ahead and ordered it. I just don't know which particular one this is because I ordered a few of them. So let's see here what we have. Of course, I got some type of magazine-y thingy here. Interesting. Alright. Okay. Let's see what we have here. So dear customer, thank you for your purchase from Amazon Marketplace. I am happy to be able to offer you Japanese products. Please give me feedback. 5 if it arrives by the delivery date. Thank you again and have a good day. Yoki Yoko from Japan. Of course, you got a little thank you on here. Alright, so this is the Una X Gel. I'll have to find out exactly which one this is. You guys will know by the title. By the title of the actual name of the video here anyway. So let's go ahead and open this up. Of course, this is a 0.5 mechanical pencil, and okay, I'm gonna tell you right off the bat, it's thick. It's a quite thick mechanical pencil. We got kind of like a gel type of grip here. And actually it's not that bad, is there? Okay, so this has got something, it's one of those. Okay, so this is the one that shakes to advance. So you kind of see the lead there coming out. Of course, you can actually just click on it; it actually comes out too. Okay, so it comes with an eraser. So of course the eraser file actually comes out, and it's interesting. There's actual a dot there. I don't know what's that all about. Right, and I can tell by looking at the hole in here. Actually, you guys can actually see that with these new lights that I have now. You can see the hole. So in other words, this here, if you take and tip it, you actually have to really put it at an angle for it to come out. So there's only one lid in there. No, there's a couple of lids in here right now. So put that down in there. Let's we're gonna do a write test, and we'll find out how this eraser actually erases here. I could probably check. I should probably check my phone to get you guys the proper name of this mechanical pencil. I actually should have probably done that before I actually started the video. So just give me a second here. So let's see how this writes here. Get you guys get a little closer so you guys can actually see. And of course I'll have to play around with these lights so I can figure out how much of a brightness you actually need for all this here. So actually, this feels really nice on the hands, quite honestly. I actually wouldn't mind using this as a daily driver. And if you guys have been watching my channel, I have a lot of mechanical pencils that I can compare it to. So actually feels really nice in the hand. It's even though it feels kind of thick, but actually it's pretty cool. You can see this eraser, so it erases really well, right? And then the eraser doesn't actually get dirty too much either. So there we go. There you go. So that's basically the unboxing for the Uni mechanical shaker pencil. So there you go. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you enjoy my content, please subscribe. And just letting you guys know that I am running a giveaway. All the information will be on my 1,000 celebrations video, 1,000 subscribers celebration video. I'll link it up here in the top here so you guys can check it out. And yeah, till the next video. Goodbye.